Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll tell you how you guys can install the Harvester tool in your Kali Linux. So what is Harvester and why we use the Harvester tool? So Harvester tool is basically used to gather information about any subdomain, any target. You can get the information like the email addresses of their company or anything. Basically it is responsible for finding information, and this is the tool which you will need definitely if you are doing bug bounties or trying to find the vulnerabilities in the system. So let's go. First of all we have to go to the this is basically the GitHub profile and GitHub page of the Harvester, and from here we will need one thing, which is the code. So you have to copy the code here, and now let's install the program by just doing like this git install, and you have to just install it. So it will basically install in your directory. So here is the Harvester. So after installing, we have to do one thing. We have to basically upgrade and download the requirements of this. Okay, so let's install by doing pip3 install -r requirements, and in the requirements directory there is a base.yml. So it have all the basic things which you will need to install in your computer before using the Harvester tool. So let's use the Harvester tool. We will use by typing the python 3, then the harvester.py. Then you have to use the -d, which is the domain name, which domain you are trying to do. So I will find on the domain tryhackme is basically a site where you can practice your hacking skills. And here B is for the sources. So source will be the Bing, Bing, and the limit will be 2. So I will just need 2 email addresses if it can find. And yeah, and it actually find give me like 4 email addresses. So these are the email addresses. On in these email addresses I can practice like how if any vulnerability is present there, so I can practice the on those subdomains. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to the channel, share the videos, and also watch my previous video and tell me, should I make a video on how to use the Harvester like beginner's guide. Thank you for watching.